Hold up. So my first YouTube video with the Canon M50 Mark II that I got off a shop called DigiDirect in Australia. I'm not gonna like edit a lot of this just because it's my first time using the camera on YouTube, and I'm definitely gonna do a review. I did do an unboxing on my TikTok, but this looks like it's just gonna be my main camera for YouTube and TikTok, and it looks beautiful. I'm looking at myself there. It looks beautiful. Like autofocus, let's see. We can autofocus is on the headsets. Autofocus is back on me. This camera's amazing. Like, I know I'm exaggerating, but because it's my first time getting into changeable lensed cameras, because I had a PowerShot which wasn't able to change the lens, but this one is a mirrorless camera, and I think mirrorless cameras are pretty underrated. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. But anyway, thank you for watching my first YouTube video with the Canon M50 Mark II as the recorder. But like, yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy.